Welcome to JAYANTHI. Now we are going to learn about a game-based learning platform Kahoot. For that, in the Google, type Kahoot. This is the official website of Kahoot. See here. Here we have to log in. We can log in through our mail ID or with Google. Now I am going to log in with Google account. It is easy to create, share and play learning games. This is the homepage of Kahoot where we can create the learning games. Go to create Kahoot games. Here we can create new Kahoot. Already there are some templates. We can make use of it. But now I am going to create a new Kahoot. So click create. This is the place where we are going to type our questions. Add questions here. See here, add questions. In this we can test the knowledge of the students by using this quiz, true or false, type answer, puzzles, poll and slides. Here the type answer, puzzles, poll and slides are premium. This quiz and true or false are free. Now I move for this quiz. Now I am going to type a question. Oranges are rich in vitamin dash. This is the question. See here they have given the time limit from 5 to 240 seconds. Now I move for this 30 seconds. The points is 1000. The answer option is a single select or multi-select. Here the multi-select is premium. So I move for the single select. See here there are three different choices. We can select the image from the image library or upload image or from a YouTube link. Now I am going to upload the image. In the desktop I am going to take the images of orange. It is getting upload. Yes. The next step is we have to add the answers. The question is oranges are rich in vitamin. I am typing A, B, C and D. It is almost over. Now we have to send to our students. So click done here. It is asking correct answers not selected. We have to select the correct answer. So back to edit. The correct answer for this question is vitamin C. So I select this one and again I move for this done. Here we have to enter the title of this Kahoot. Now I am typing JK. That's a JK question. This description, if you want, you can type or else it is optional. Then press continue. Now it is the time to send to our students. Here there are some suggestions whether you are going to test this Kahoot or play now or share with others. Now I am going to share with others. So I click this one. Now we have to send through the Facebook or Twitter or Pinterest or mail or to the Google Classroom. Now I am going to send via mail. I am sending. After sending mail to the student, the teacher will start the play, that is starting the quiz. Click play here. Here the teacher will teach. Here two different options are there, player versus player, team versus team. I move for this classic player versus player. Now it is ready to join. Click. This is the game pin. The student has to copy this game pin which we have sent to their mail. Just copying this. Now they have to copy this and paste it in the www.kahoot.it or in the Kahoot app. Now we move for this play Kahoot, enter game pin here. Click here. Here the student need to go for the pin number. Just pasting the pin number and type enter. Give the nickname. Okay, go. This is the student page. Now I am going to show both the screen. This is the teacher screen and this one is student screen. Now the teacher starts the play. Start here. The first question starts. The teacher asks the students, that is oranges are rich in vitamin A, B, C, D. That is she will indicate the colors or the shapes. The student will understand and then they will click these options. The questions may not be visible to the students. Only the shape and color will be visible. The student teacher will dictate the question. The student has to answer. Just click this one. Yes, the option C, that is oranges are rich in vitamin C. Once the student click here, the answer will appear here for the teacher, and this is the status. This is what how to play quiz program, and the poll also we can conduct with the help of this Kahoot. Thank you.